Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again from the Appalachian Ocean, and tonight I've got the Big Juicy Beer Hug. This is a, let's see, it says Juicy IPA, 9.9% ABV from the Goose Island Beer Company. So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack into this sucker here. Looking for something that pairs well with warmer weather and winter chicken dinner. That's right, I'm grilling chicken. So the Juicy IPA is a perfect complimentary beverage for warm weather and citrus and lime chicken on my pellet grill. Good nose. Definitely get the you get the juicy nose to it. Very approachable IPA. There's nothing about this initially or during the aftertaste that offends me. It's just a very good, and I want to emphasize, warm weather beer. Very, very good. I mean, I get the juice. It's juice forward, but it's not juice offensive. So it's just a good, again, I keep saying it, warm weather beverage. So if you're looking for India Pale Ale that's good for warmer temperature, I mean, if I was out in the snow and ice, I wouldn't drink this. I'd drink something more, well, less juice forward, less fruit forward than this. This is very good though for warm weather. And like I said, I'm getting my grill going because I'm doing lemon lime chicken. It's gonna be so good. But yeah, I wanted something that was good to drink and something that will complement during warm weather. There we go again, warm weather. Complement the lemon and lime chicken tenders that I'm doing on my pellet grill back there that I'm about to do. I mean, they're not on there yet, but man, this is good. I like it. Again, this is the Big Juicy Beer Hug Juicy IPA from Goose Island Brewing Company. Or it just says Goose Island Beer Company. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to offend y'all. So good. Man. And like I said, not only is it's good when you first sip it, but there's no offensive aftertaste. And to have this, and then I'm smelling that hickory smoke from my grill back there. It's just the perfect complimentary beverage for warm weather, chicken, whatever you might be grilling. But it's just a really good beverage. Good job. Very good job. I like this. Yeah, just a really, really good fruit present, juice present, but not offensively present. It's authentic. I like it. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.